Setting up a container on our platform is very straightforward. You can take full advantage of our pre-built images, like NEMO for faster training or NVIDIA Inference Microservices, NIM, for accelerated inferencing. Once you've selected an image, you can configure command arguments, environment variables, and other advanced settings. Then choose your GPU and you're ready to launch. What's really interesting about these containers is that aside from running commands through the configuration, you can also do interactive execution. It's similar to how you'd use Docker exec or interact with a Kubernetes container. You can actually execute into the container and work with it directly. You can run commands inside the container or even open up ports. When you open ports, you can access the container as an API endpoint or through a web UI in your browser. This makes containers incredibly versatile, whether you're running complex workloads, debugging, or exposing services for external access. Now let's take a look at the Bitdeer AI Container Registry. Here you'll find a collection of public images that are ready to use, like the ones we've just discussed. But we also offer a private registry where you can upload your own custom images and share them securely with your team. This makes it easy to collaborate and ensure everyone has access to the tools and environments they need, whether you're using pre-built images or your own custom solutions.